Hey guys.
Hi.
What are we doing?
Skiing.
Okay. Emma's gonna lead this time and Ripley's gonna lead next time. Turns. Turn. Make your turns. Okay, Ripley, go. Did you count to 10, Rip? And we're off. And I'm not very good at doing this. Whee! Okay, practice your hockey stops. Practice your hockey stops. Stop him. Stop, hockey stop. Emma wants to keep going. Okay, come on, Rip. Make your turns, Em.